Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about something that's on many people's minds, finding purpose in life. Whether you're feeling lost, unsure of what you want to do, or just curious about what gives life meaning, this video is for you. Let's explore how you can discover your purpose and live a life that truly matters. What does it mean to have a purpose? Before we dive in, let's talk about what purpose really means. Having a purpose is about knowing what gives your life meaning and direction. It's the reason you get up in the morning, the motivation behind your goals, and the feeling that what you do matters. Purpose isn't something you have to figure out all at once. It can change and grow as you do. The important thing is to start thinking about what makes you feel alive and fulfilled. So how do you find your purpose? Let's break it down. Step 1. Reflect on what you love. One of the best ways to find your purpose is to think about what you love doing. What activities make you lose track of time? What topics can you talk about for hours? These are clues to what your passions are. Take some time to reflect on what brings you joy. Maybe it's helping others, creating art, solving problems, or working with your hands. Whatever it is, your passions can point you towards your purpose. Don't worry if it doesn't seem like something big or important yet. Every passion has the potential to lead to something meaningful. Step 2. Consider your strengths. Next, think about your strengths. What are you naturally good at? What skills do others often compliment you on? Your strengths are another important clue to finding your purpose. For example, if you're great at listening and giving advice, maybe your purpose involves helping others through counseling or coaching. If you're good with numbers, perhaps your purpose is to solve complex problems or help people manage their finances. When you combine your strengths with your passions, you can start to see where your purpose might lie. Step 3. Think about how you can make a difference. Now that you've considered what you love and what you're good at, think about how you can use these to make a difference in the world. Purpose often comes from contributing to something larger than yourself. Ask yourself, what problems do you care about solving? Who do you want to help? What changes would you like to see in the world? Your purpose could be connected to helping your community, protecting the environment, improving education, or even just bringing more kindness into the world. The impact doesn't have to be huge. Every positive action counts. Step 4. Start small and take action. Finding your purpose doesn't happen overnight, and it's okay to start small. You don't need to have all the answers right away. The key is to start taking action in areas that interest you. Volunteer for a cause you care about, take a class to develop your skills, or simply start a project that excites you. By trying new things and putting yourself out there, you'll learn more about what truly fulfills you. As you take these small steps, your purpose will become clearer. Step 5. Be open to change. Remember, your purpose isn't set in stone. As you grow and change, your purpose might evolve too. That's perfectly normal. Be open to new experiences and opportunities, and don't be afraid to shift your focus if something new inspires you. Life is a journey, and your purpose is part of that journey. It's okay if it changes along the way. What's important is that you keep moving forward, learning and growing. Conclusion. Your purpose is unique. In the end, finding your purpose is about discovering what makes you feel fulfilled and how you can use that to make a positive impact on the world. It's a personal journey, and your purpose is unique to you. Don't rush the process. Take your time to explore, reflect, and try new things. Trust that with each step you take, you're getting closer to living a life that's meaningful and true to who you are. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has given you some helpful ideas for finding your purpose. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos that help you on your journey to a fulfilling life. Keep searching, stay curious, and remember, your purpose is out there waiting for you to discover it.